Now we are going to talk about a verb and some rules regarding verb. So let's start. Basically, we are going to talk about the transitive verb. The transitive verbs are the verbs that express actions within object. The object is the noun or pronoun affected by the action. Transitive verbs are not followed by prepositions. For example, the batsman hit the ball. Transitive verb के बाद आपका object आ रहा है, preposition नहीं आ रही. He gave her a letter. ये भी transitive verb है. Her remarks made him unhappy. ये भी again transitive. Then there are intransitive verbs, the word that express an action without an object. For example, the words cry, laugh, talk, walk are never followed by an object. These words may be followed by the preposition. These are basically the intransitive words. For example, they went to their universities. We laughed at those funny jokes and he died suddenly last night. ठीक है, तो ये हो सकता है preposition है और हो सकता है कभी ना भी है, जैसे third example में नहीं. Then we're going to talk about the difference between the transitive and intransitive words. Some words are used transitively only. Okay, for example, some words are used intransitively only. There are many verbs which can use both transitively, can be used both transitively and intransitively. It is the object itself. ठीक है, अब पहली प्रॉब्लम जो आज हमें फेस करनी हुई है जिसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे, that is lie and lay problem. When faced with a lie-lay problem, ask yourself two questions. Number one, what is the meaning I intend? क्या आप sentence में lie use करें या lay use करें, आप meaning क्या देना चाह रहे हैं? दूसरी चीज, is it to be in lying position, ठीक है? Or is it to put something down? मतलब आपने कोई चीज नीचे रखनी है या लेटाने वाली position की बात हो रही है. दूसरा सवाल जो आपने पूछना है ना, what is the time expressed by the verb and which form of the verb is required to express this time? The intransitive word means lie, which means to assume a lying position or to be in a lying position. It never has an object, noun or pronoun. There may or may not be preposition after the intransitive word lie. For example, the packing was lying by the front door. Then forms of the lie are will lie, lay, have lain. An ing form is lying. Then the word lay means to put or to place something. The word lay is transitive, that is, it may have an object, noun or pronoun. ठीक है? Its examples includes the mosquito will lay eggs in winter. ठीक है? किसी चीज को रखना या फिर अंडे देना, दोनों एक ही बात है. The victors killed everyone on whom they could lay their hands. अब ले की थोड़ी सी फॉर्म्स देख लेते हैं. इसकी फर्स्ट फॉर्म है will lay, सेकंड फॉर्म है laid, थर्ड फॉर्म है have laid and fourth form है is laid. Then it's rise and raise. The verb rise means to go up. Like lie, rising is intransitive, it never takes an object and it may be followed by a preposition. Example includes one day this nation will rise up. And forms are will rise, rose, have, risen, yeah, is rise. Then there are raise. The word raise means to force something to move upwards. Like lay, raise is transitive. It may take an object. ठीक है? For example, raise, raised, have raised, yeah, is raising. Example include the sun and the moon raise tides on the earth. They had to reach to the big crossroads near the journal post office. इसी तरह they had reached the big crossroads. ठीक है, तो ये भी आपने डिफरेंस देख लेना है. इसी तरह the atom bombs hit New York. It's not hit on New York. जैसे reach to big cross नहीं था, उसी तरह hit on New York नहीं है. Mr. Bittring gazed thus earth settlement नहीं होगा, बल्कि gazed at the earth settlement. तो ये आपने ट्रांजिटिव एंड ट्रांजिटिव का थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस देख लें. This is all for today. Thank you so much.